Here's how to convert HEIC to TIFF. So if you want a TIFF image format and you have HEIC photos, I use an app that I created called ConvertSave. You can find it in the description or the top comment down below. All you have to do is click and drag those HEIC files into ConvertSave, go to select output, and in this case we're going to find that TIFF file and hit convert. This works on Windows and Mac. It also works for images, video, and audio. And so you can find it at convertsave.com. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we finally released it. And we're actually releasing some more really advanced features coming up. But that's how I can quickly convert things, whether it's image to image, or I'm going from like video to audio, or even video to video. So we've got all of those formats in here, and we're looking to add even more. So that's ConvertSave. It's exactly that. Convert, save. That's what it does. And you can convert images easily on both Windows and Mac, and it's a drag and drop interface. So really simple. It's on your desktop. It's offline. No more sketchy websites. Thanks for watching and supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.